Hello friends, welcome to my channel Engineering Setu. So today we will discuss the solution of NPTEL assignment 10 of energy conservation and waste heat recovery. So let's discuss the assignment. Before starting the assignment, please subscribe my channel. So let's discuss. In a superconducting magnetic energy storage system, there are four options. So the correct answer is all the above. Magnetic energy is converted to electrical energy. Magnetic energy can be stored indefinitely. Electrical resistance of the coil drop to zero. So all the above is correct answer for this question. Question number 2. In a compressed air energy storage system, the air is cooled before storage. Cooled before storage and heated before sending to the turbine. So for the question number 2, answer 1 is correct. Which of the following statement is not correct for flywheel? So B, C and D, these three options are incorrect in case of flywheel because only the energy stored increase with the angular velocity of the flywheel. So A is the correct. Energy stored in the flywheel is proportional to moment of inertia. Magnetic bearing increase the efficiency of flywheel, and flywheel have high storage capacity with long service life. So option B, C, D are incorrect for the question number 3. Now question number 4. Which of the following statements are correct? So in case of question number 4, A, B and D, these three options are correct. Question number 5. What is the primary reason for Alabama CIS installation to be more energy efficient than Huntoff installation? Because in the Alabama, recuperator uses waste heat from turbine. So option 1 is correct. How much energy can be stored by 6 into 10 to the power 9 liter of water raised by 300 meter in a pumped hydro installation? Assume no pumping losses, density of water is also given and G is given. So here the energy will be calculated by formula mgh, where m is the volume into density and the volume is given in the liter. You can convert into the meter cube by multiplying 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, so put all values, you will get the answer 5 gigawatt hour. Question number 7. In a CAES plant, air is compressed from 1 bar 25 degrees centigrade to 50 bar. So here initial pressure 1 bar is given, final pressure after compression is given 50 bar. So calculate the compressed air temperature. Here you will calculate by the formula of adiabatic compression. T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1 gamma minus 1 upon gamma. So here you will gamma is 1.4, P2 is 50 bar, P1 is 1 bar and T1 is 25. So here you will get the T2 640 degree centigrade. Question number 8 is also related to question number 7. If the compressor isentropic efficiency is 85%, what should be the compressed air temperature? So if the isentropic efficiency of the compressor is given, then the isentropic efficiency formula of the compressor is neta is equal to ideal compression upon actual compression. So neta is equal to T2 minus T1 upon T2 dash minus T1. So T1 is given, T2 is given, which is calculated by question number 7. Put all values, you will get that T2 dash will be 750 degrees centigrade. It is, you will get the 746, but close value is 750. Now come to the question number 9. A flywheel is in the form of disc 5 meter in diameter, 2 meter thickness and rotation 3000 rpm. Here you will convert into the revolution per second. So 3000 upon 60, you will get the 50 rps revolution per second. And the density is also given 2000 kg per meter cube. Calculate the energy stored in the flywheel. So energy stored in the flywheel will be half I omega square, where I is of the disc is mr square by 2 and m is calculated by volume into density. So put all values, you will get the answer 12 gigajoule. Question number 10. If the flywheel is slow down to 1500 rpm, how much energy can be recovered? So energy recovered by calculated by the formula half I omega 1 square minus omega 2 square. Omega 1 is the 50 revolution per second and omega 2 is equal to 25 revolution per second. So here you will get the answer 9 gigajoule. So thank you student for listening me. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.